Hi, it's Angie Potts, and welcome to the 6th episode of Living the Senior Life Show, where we break down the good, fun, and challenging sides of getting older. Today's episode is about senior nutrition, how to stay healthy and nourished in your golden years. As we age, maintaining good nutrition becomes increasingly important to support overall health and well-being. Proper senior nutrition can help prevent chronic diseases, maintain energy levels, and support a strong immune system and improve the quality of life during the golden years. In this episode, we will explore essential tips and guidelines to help seniors stay healthy and nourished as they embrace this new chapter in life. First of all, it's important to understand the dietary guidelines for Americans. The dietary guidelines for Americans provide valuable advice on making healthy food choices to meet nutrition needs, promote wellness, and prevent illnesses. Number 2, know the importance of the senior nutrition programs in your area. Senior nutrition programs play a vital role in ensuring older adults have access to well-balanced meals that meet their nutritional needs. Third, understand there's some key nutrients for seniors, such as calcium, potassium, which is essential for maintaining bone health and preventing conditions like osteoporosis and hypertension. Protein is also vital for maintaining muscle mass, supporting the immune system, and facilitating various bodily function. We also need dietary fiber that aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. You also need vitamin D and B12. They're crucial for bone health, nerve function, and overall vitality. Number 4, make sure you create balanced meals. A well-balanced meal is the cornerstone of senior nutrition. It should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. These foods provide a whole range of nutrients that promote good health and well-being. Number 5, you want to limit your sodium, your saturated fat, and empty calories. While seniors need certain nutrients, it's equally essential to limit sodium, saturated fat, and empty calories from sugary snacks and beverages. High intake of these contribute to health issues including heart disease and obesity. 6, you want to stay hydrated. Seniors may have a decreased sense of thirst, which can put them at risk for dehydration. Drinking enough water and consuming hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables is essential to maintain proper hydration levels. 7, you want to adjust to your changing needs. As we age, our bodies change, and so do our nutritional needs. Seniors may require fewer calories due to decreased activity levels, but the need for essential nutrition remains. It's crucial to listen to your body's signal and adjust dietary habits accordingly. Number 8, seek professional advice. You want to get a personalized senior nutrition advice. It's essential to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can help you create a tailored nutrition plan based on individual needs, your preferences, and your medical condition. In the end, maintaining proper nutrition is key to staying healthy and nourished during the golden years. By adhering to the dietary guidance for Americans and utilizing resources offered by the senior nutrition programs, we can make informed food choices to support our overall well-being. We can embrace the joy of eating nutritionally and let good nutrition be our lifelong companion on this new adventure of retirement. This article video just for informational purposes, not getting medical advice. Please seek a professional advice and consult with your healthcare provider or registered dietitian for personal nutrition information. Stay healthy and take care.